Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use Clockify as a freelancer. Whether you're a video editor, designer, writer, developer, consultant, or any other type of freelancer, Clockify can help you track billable hours, manage projects, monitor productivity, and keep your client work organized. So let's get started. First, create a free Clockify account and set up your workspace. Your workspace will serve as the central hub where you'll manage all of your projects, clients, time entries, and reports. Once you're logged in, start by creating projects for each client. This makes it much easier to separate work, track hours accurately, and generate reports later when it's time to invoice. Next, create tasks within each project if you want more detailed tracking. For example, a video editing project might include tasks such as editing, color grading, motion graphics, revisions, and client communication. As your freelance business grows, use Clockify reports to identify your most profitable projects, estimate future workloads, and improve overall time management. And that's how to use Clockify as a freelancer. By organizing clients, tracking billable hours, managing projects, and reviewing detailed reports, you can streamline your workflow and run your freelance business more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.